Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave the things you're not supposed to. By popular request, I brought back an introduction. It's different than the one I used before, and what I'm wondering is how do you like it? Anyway, today I'm going to be microwaving some fart bombs. I've only seen this done before on Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This, but others may have attempted this. I'm going to do 3 fart bombs instead of 2. Unfortunately though, due to illumination issues in the microwave and the fact that I don't know if this is flammable or not, I'm going to have to light it up with a glow stick. And besides, I think it'll make much better light anyway than the candles. And here is Jareth, the big Kenmore beast of a microwave. He's going to be microwaving these fart bombs. Okay, in go the fart bombs, plus the glow stick so you can actually see what's going on. Just place this inconspicuously back there. And there we go. Right? 3 minutes. Well, it looks like the fart bombs are done, and unsurprisingly it smells like ass, but To be honest, I've smelled a lot worse on my show before. Now, you want my opinion on microwaving fart bombs? Don't do it. It's technically safe because nothing bad really happened, but you still shouldn't do it. So what I'm going to say is unless you want yourself a stinky mess and you don't mind spending hours cleaning your microwave, I guess by all means go ahead and do it, but if you want your microwave to not taste like fart for the next 3 weeks, you really shouldn't do this yourself.